Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you WhatsApp new latest trick. So WhatsApp was rolling out a new update. With this help of update guys, you can easily listen your audio message before sending to anyone. Before this guys, you don't have permission to listen your own audio before sending. Now WhatsApp was launched this new feature. Before sending you can easily hear your own voice message. So for this guys, first of all you need to update the WhatsApp application from Google Play Store. Just go to the Google Play Store and update the WhatsApp app. After updating, just open this app and open the chat which you want to send the audio message. For example, I am recording one audio message. Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. So now guys, I have recorded this audio. Now I want to listen this audio before sending it. So to do this guys, you can get one icon on the center, just tap on it. From here you can listen your own audio. For example, now I am playing this audio. Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. So as you can see guys, if you want to send it you can send, if you want to delete it you can also delete it. That's it. Before sending you can delete it. So this is the very nice and very useful feature launch from WhatsApp. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.